makes me sneeze. Timer wins. Jump! What do you want to do today? I want yes. A what? A boat, a swing, a hat. Choo! Sniff, are you okay? I do not know. I had trouble. I cannot stop you at home. Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs makes me sneeze? At home. What if you try to sneeze more suffering? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It is today. Goodbye. Gerald. Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Krabs. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is big. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too, but I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you had a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, Piggy. Great news. I had the cold. Good for you. Thank you.